Yeah, I cannot hear matcha at all. Can't hear her, huh? Yeah, I cannot hear her either. I can hear her like yelling, but I don't hear her in my headphones. So that must mean that she is not captured. Yeah. Um okay. We're gonna have to troubleshoot this. Okay. Let transitioning back.
No, you go stand over there.
Oh, I go stand there. Okay.
Whoa. You know, it might sound like a background because it's just like my phone from a distance. Say something. Oh God, can't hear him at all. Okay, hold on. Why? Usually it lets me add the audio. Oh,
Um, yeah, so today we did cart opening and we're right in front of me I see some steak, I see some tater tots
what?
and corn.
Why can't
Uh,
I? Oh, I can't hear it. You guys can hear him?
there's instant ramen to be made. Right now I'm at the kitchen counter. Nothing much on the table just yet. We're trying to get the sound going. So once that works, Matcha is gonna come out and start making food. Um, yep. So that's about that. Hope you guys can hear.
Are you guys getting double or is it okay?
Yeah, my yeah. How's that? Oh, okay.
How about
Think
now?
double volume.
Double now?
Double
I fixed it.
audio. I see.
Yay!
Okay, now we're good. That's good. Okay, so I guess I'll use the bathroom real quick and then I'll go switch back with Matcha.
Okay, I guess I'll go over there then. And I'll just assume that you guys will be able to hear